Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 9. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got the 8 covering here and here, so our 8 must be here. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this top row now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 3. That 4 means this is our 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.